Alrighty, YouTube, I'm back with another video here, and this is the second part to the package unopening that Mikey sent me, Mike Rico. You guys need to go check him out on YouTube, MikelineTV, and holy cow, did he not blow up my racing PC. Daggone MikelineTV. Holy cow. And he had included some cards in here. They're unopened packs. There are 5 cards in each pack, and a little something in this container here. I didn't even realize till I was putting some of the stuff away. I thought maybe it was just lemonade, country time lemonade. So we'll see, get my trusty scissors out here. I didn't expect all of this, Mike, but you will be hearing from me, young man. This is crazy. I didn't get it open there. Try not to cut the cards. I think this is like one of those Fairfield things where you get like a random assortment of cards. I believe it's Fairfield MJ Holding Company. Okay, let's see if I can get this pack open. And let's see what we have. This is the All World series, I believe. I'm not too familiar with most of the guys in this set. There's Johnny Boyd, he's an all-time great, it says. Lloyd Ruby, all-time great. All-time great Bill Vukovic Jr. And where are they now? George Snyder. I'll have fun looking some of those guys up on Wikipedia. And then we got, let's see which one I want to do first. Let's do this one. It's got some Clint Warrior on the front. And if you guys didn't watch yesterday, Brad Keselowski won. And this is this a red parallel? Or not for sure, but I think it is red parallel of Clint Warrior. Tony Stewart. We got David Reagan, John Wood, and Jeff Burton. That's sweet. And then the last unopened pack. With JJ on the front. Jimmy Johnson, who will begin his quest at defending his title from last season. There's a top 12. There's a Dave Blaney. Jeff Burton. And I think this is Kevin Harvick, number 29, Shell. Let's see. I'm thinking this is Kevin Harvick. And then we got a Matt Kenseth Blue. So that is cool. And then this container here. See what we have here. I didn't go through these yet. Just saw them in there. Thought I would do a video. So we got a Convoy of the M&Ms. We got Dale Jr. That is awesome. And we got another Dale Jr. Mach 9. I always like to look at these. A holographic look. That's out of Press Pass Stealth 2009. And then we got Justin Algier and Robbie Gordon. And then there was another card. I will slow roll it because it is a hit. And it is Greg Biffle Race Shoe Sheet Metal out of 125. That's awesome. I don't believe I have any race shoes Greg Biffle cards. You know, when you collect it, and after a while you kind of lose track of what you have. I'm disorganized. And I know I have a couple autographs of Biffle, but I'm not sure if I have anything race used. So that will look nice in the collection. Nobody did NASCAR cards as well as press pads, in my opinion. The new stuff coming out is pretty much all stickers. Pretty much, I mean, I haven't really busted anything with the new stuff. I don't think I've even picked up anything with new stuff. I'd really like to pick up a Chase Elliott autograph eventually, but his stuff is like through the roof. But I thank you, Mikeline, for this holy cow box of NASCAR goodness. This is just crazy. There is the Intimidator. The Heart Racing is not the same without the number 3. The black number 3. But that'll do it for this video. And we'll see you in the next one.